Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vecpay Media. Today's video is going to be a little different than the other ones. Why? Because in today's video I'm going to show you few of my work which I usually make. Now your job is to guess which software I must have used to edit these images. Without any further ado, let's head over my computer and see what are those. So how was it? I hope you must have liked my work so far. If you have, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Friends, your comment and your likes are the world to me. It does not cost you anything. So please do subscribe to my channel. But foremostly, you need to tell me what is the software you think I must have used to edit these images. Most people do misinterpret thinking that these are Photoshop edited pictures. But the fact is, believe me or not, I used only Canva. Canva is one of such softwares which can be used by a 7-year-old to a 70-year-old. I have given many such tutorials which you would be getting on the top right hand side corner of this video at the I button. Watch rest of the video and then go to that I button and check my playlist of Canva tutorial in different Canva effects. Let's watch rest of the video. I'll be back soon. So I hope you liked, friends, all this work which I have shown. These are the work which I have made using only Canva. Now few of the elements which I used are from Edit Image, Duotone, Photogenic Tone and many other effects which are given, pixel effects which are given in Edit Image option. If you are little bit aware of this software, then you must be knowing. So to know more about these options, you can go and check my other videos which I will be putting at the end card as well as the I button, and you can check what are the different effects we can make out of Canva. I am going to make a complete tutorial for the beginners who have not ever used Canva. So make sure you click the subscription button down below and click the bell button and select all notifications so that you keep getting information whenever I upload a video in my channel. Today till here, I hope you must have enjoyed. If yes, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Friends, your comment and your likes are the world to me. It does not cost you anything. So please do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for all your support. Those who have already subscribed, you have given me enough reason to carry on with my other tutorial. So thanks a lot from core of my heart. With that, I will be wrapping up for the day. This is Paulomi. I'll come back with a stunning video again in Canva next week. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.